Hey, Mary Koska here, owner and founder of Ohana OT, and this is a little instructional video on how to set up a Zoom meeting and how to record yourself doing it. So I'm going to go to share screen here. And I am going to make my arrow just a little bit bigger. I'm going to go to accessibility options and display. I can make my cursor a little bigger so you can see it. That's a little better. Okay, so we are in the Zoom, my Zoom account here. And what I'm going to do is the first step is I'm going to click on meetings. And then I'm going to go to schedule a meeting. You can put in your topic there. And I'm going to schedule this meeting for right now, basically. So I'm going to schedule it for, I'm going to schedule it for 1:30. I can schedule it for sooner than it is right now. It's a little after 1:30. And I'm going to leave all of these settings just how they are, and I'm just going to click save. And then I can start the meeting. The other thing before I do that, I can go down here, copy invitation, and this is what I will send to everybody. So I'll just copy the invite, has the link, has the meeting ID and the password for them to get in. So that's what I would send out for people to be able to join the meeting. But to just have a meeting myself, the other thing I'm going to show you is how to make an instructional video. So you do that by just having a meeting with yourself, which is what I'm doing. So I'm going to hit start this meeting. Oh, it won't let me do it because I'm already having a meeting with myself. So I'll just explain it, this little part. So you just set up a meeting, you just don't have anybody else come to it, and you click on screen share, and then you click on, I was just seeing if I could show you, and then you just click on record, and that's it. And then when you're done, when you end your call, it'll give you the option to download the video, and then that can get uploaded to YouTube, and then you have an instructional video. Pretty cool. So this tutorial shows you both how to have how to set up just a regular Zoom meeting, and if you make it with yourself and you record the video and you're sharing your screen, then you can make an instructional video. And that is it. Let's see if I can, I have to figure out how I can get this to turn off now. Oh, I have to stop my sharing because I was screen sharing, and I'm going to turn off the recording. And that right there is where you share the screen. So that's basically it. It's pretty simple. If I can figure it out, it's pretty simple. Okay, I'm going to stop recording and we're done. Bye.